Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. I hope all of you had a wonderful Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Now let's get right into the subject of today's video. Today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to fix broken prints. This is a common issue when DTF printing. You might be experiencing some issues when you peel out the sheet. There's many variables that can cause this, so I expect you guys, if ever you keep experiencing this, that obviously the solution will help that I'm going to show you, but I suggest that you guys actually go ahead and do some, isolation with your work to see what's actually causing this. It might be the printer. I showed you guys how to do your maintenance in this video right here. It might be also your oven that is not calibrated properly. It might be the powder you're applying. There's so many variables that can cause this to happen. But in this video, I'm not going to go over all of the variables. I made multiple videos in the past to show you guys what variables you can expect to cause this. So in this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a solution to fix this. Alright guys, so this is a prime example of what I'm talking about. If you have something like this going on, you want to peel the excess off. So, sorry for the camera angle right here, but you're going to basically just take off the excess like this. Obviously, you guys might be experiencing something a bit different. There might be some pieces that actually stay on the fabric since they have been pressed correctly. So for us guys, the reason that this was happening is that we didn't place a Teflon under the actual garment. So when we were pressing the bags, we realized that the seams on the sides were creating some off contact, and the off contact obviously is making the print not stick properly to the garment. So like I mentioned, just scrape everything off if you can with your fingernails. Obviously guys, this is not ideal. You want to, mitigate these problems. So this is why at the beginning of the video I told you guys to make sure that you fix the variables before continuing your production. Apply some heat transfer resisting tape, and this tape will ensure that the actual print does not move. So when you press it, it's going to be exactly where you left it off. This is perfect guys. We're ready to press. Place your Teflon right over the print slowly to make sure it does not move when you place it. And you're going to press your regular time at your regular pressure. In this case, we're using the ceramic plaque. I like to do this. And now we're ready to peel. So as you guys can see, we were able to salvage this. Now as usual, we want to repress the garment. So we're going to place our Teflon and do our regular time and temperature, as well as pressure. And there you have it guys. This is how you salvage a print or fix a broken print. If you guys found this video somewhat helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Hole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.